Hello students, today's topic is to create a database. Students, we can create database in two ways. There are two methods of creating a database. The first is we can create a database using template and see and the second method is by using blank database. If you want to create a database using blank desktop database, so we will choose this option, and these all are the templates. You can choose anyone to create your database. Now, what are templates? Templates are the ready-made database. That means these databases are already designed by someone. We are going to use that one with some or little modification or no modification. So we will try both the option. We will learn to create the database by using both option. So first of all, I am taking the option by using templates. So these all are the templates. You can choose any one of them to create your database. So suppose I am taking this database faculty, so just click on it. So but you have to take care one thing, that these all templates are available online. That means they are not available by default on your computer. If you are going to create it, so first of all you have to connect your computer with the internet, and this database will get downloaded from the internet, and then you can use it. So here we have to give the name of the database. Suppose I am giving faculty and click on create option. This database is downloaded and now it is ready for the use. In the last class I have told you database is a collection of tables. That means the data inside the database is stored or created in the form of table, and table is the collection of rows and columns, right? So these vertical lines, vertical things are called as column, and this is a name of column like faculty ID, first name, last name, email address, business phone, department, and these are called as column name, and this column is also called as field. Now the row is called as a record, okay, or it is also called as tuple. Total number of records or total number of tuple or total number of row in a database is called as cardinality of the table, and total number of column is called as degree of the table. सपोज आई एम फिलिंग अ रिकॉर्ड, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे कोई भी एक वैल्यूज़ डाल रहा हूँ, फैकल्टी आईडी F001, फर्स्ट नेम लेट मनीष, लास्ट नेम लेट गुप्ता, ईमेल एड्रेस मनीष @gmail.com, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, डिपार्टमेंट, let physics, faculty type, let teacher. Now this is the first record in our table. In the same way we will fill all the records of our table, and these all records will make a database, and these all value will be stored at one places. So what we learn in this thing, we did not create this table. These all we get as a ready-made. This table was already created by someone. We are just using it. So this is the benefit of using templates. Now we will see to create database using blank. So to create a blank database, we will go to the file option, and then we will go to the new, and from here we will select blank data blank desktop database, this one. Click on it, give the name of database, like I am giving student. So first of all we'll go this, choose this option view, we'll click on it and we will select design view. See, every database has two view. The first is design table. Every table has a two view, design view and data sheet view. Design view is used to design the table. That means we will define the table, that means we will define the column and its data type. Okay, so how many columns this table will contain, we will define it in the design view. Click on it, give the name like I am giving student. Now we will define the field name, that means how many columns will be there in the table and which columns will be there. So first of all, first column, suppose I am taking roll number. What type of value this roll number will store? Suppose it will store number value, so we will choose data type number. Next, suppose I am giving student name, so it will be a text, so I am taking short text. Next is suppose class, so I am taking class will be, can be text. Next I am suppose taking mobile number, so it can be text. Next I am taking fee, so fee can be currency, so I am taking currency. Now just click on the save icon and close it. Now see, here a table is appearing, so just double click on it to open. Now our table is ready. Fill the roll number, suppose I am giving 1. Student name, let Manish. Class, suppose I am giving 8. Mobile number. Face is, suppose I am giving 25. So we can change the currency. Okay, so I will tell you how to change the currency later on. So this is the two way to create a table in the MS Access.